Hello N92, this is Mark Danimiller representing Speedy Comms. You wanted me to make a video showing that the Wi-Fi adapter is not picking up the 5 gigahertz. As you can see on the right, it's only 2.4. This Hitron should have 5.0 as well. So you can see over here where the 5 gigahertz is, there's nothing. It's an active connection, it's on 2.4. The value is auto, but if I put it to AC, and N, it'll cut completely off. You see it as a MAC address. Here, I'll show you that to you. Here, we'll put on AC mode or ANAC. So we're gonna hit OK, and you'll see not connected, and no networks found. And I've tried different drivers, different settings. Here, I'll even try it one more time. I'll just put it on AC mode itself. So I have been trying. I really would love that 5 gigahertz though. Wireless mode, we'll put on AC only. See, not connected. No networks found. Refresh it, still nothing. So I hope this is the video you wanted. So could we do the exchange, or do you have any other recommendations? Thanks for your time.